the integration of BigCommerce and SAP ECC in real time. So basically this is the BigCommerce UI. As you can see, there are no categories here and this is completely blank. Okay, so let's go to SAP and put some categories here. So for this demo version I've already pre-selected a demo thing and categories. So this has been set now. So if we refresh this, you can see the categories have come. The categories have come, but there are no products. There are no products here, but you can see the subcategories. So hardware has these three subcategories and software has these two subcategories here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put some products here. Okay, so we have sent the products. The products will basically show up inside the categories in the front end, and you can order them. Yeah, so this has been sent. If we refresh this, you can see that the products have come. Okay, okay, okay. So as you can see in this front end that we have all the products listed here, and let's go ahead and order something from this BigCommerce site. So let's say we order CD-ROM drive today, and let's select a delivery date and the quantity be 1. Let's proceed to checkout. So we can use a new billing address actually, or I'll just show you how to do that. Okay, just proceed to checkout. We can just register an account here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have created the address. Now here all the flat rates and everything are given. So basically you can apply coupon codes here and everything. All this system is used, and so the payment method here can be used as cash on delivery or this thing. So let's say we are ordering today using a Visa credit card. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so we actually paid for the order. Let's choose this as Visa. Okay, so as you can see on the front end, the thanks for your order, and this order has been created. The order number is 169. Now we use this agent called AppSy Connect. In this, actually, as you can see here, this is the syncing panel, and this integration is going from SAP ECC to BigCommerce. So if I just click on this sync button, this is going manually, and this can be done automatically also. So this order will be transferred to ECC. So let's just remember this order number. Okay, so these are all the details of about the order. If we go to ECC now, as you can see, the order has been transferred into ECC. So this is the address that we have entered. This is and this is the details about the customer. Okay, one time customer. So thank you for watching this video. I hope